everyone, welcome back to my channel with me, Monique. For today's video, I have a very exciting unboxing. It is 2 years in the making. This is part 2 of my New York haul. I think there's going to be a part 3 which will include all the remaining items from the Chanel and Tiffany haul. So I'm going to go ahead with part 2 today because I really want to unbox and finally wear this item. It's been 2 years in the making. So if you're into handbags, part 2 is going to be the most exciting part for you. I'm going to unbox my bag first before I unbox all of the other Chanel items that I purchased. It comes in this huge box. Shout out to my friend. She is an amazing friend. She has been keeping my baby for 2 years now, and I am so thankful that she did. She has been such a wonderful foster mom to my bag. So let's unbox this baby together. I've spilled the beans and I told you that this is a handbag, which you can already probably guess from the box that it's going to be a handbag. If you're familiar with the Chanel holiday ribbon, you probably know which year that this is from. This was from December 2019, before all the crazy price increases. I decided to purchase it at that time and to finally just like pull the trigger, because you know Chanel just keeps raising their prices every year. It's never going to go lower, and this has been on my wish list for forever. And I was also planning to visit New York, of course, in 2020, which never happened. And you know why it didn't happen? None of us were going anywhere in 2020, and finally now in 2021 I am able to pick up my baby, and I'm so excited. The camellia and the ribbon from this year is just amazing. It's just such great quality compared to the last year's ribbon and whole glitter issue that Chanel had, which no one liked. If you hear noises in the background, it's about, you know, New York is an island after all. I'm gonna take off the camellia. I'm gonna show you closer. So beautiful. Oh, it's 2 years in the making. I can't believe it. I'm finally unboxing my bag. And voila. There you go. And there you go. This is the receipt. You would not believe the price of this bag when I purchased this in 2019. Okay. During the 2 years, this was let out by my friend to make sure that the bag breathes, because you know you can't really keep a bag in the box for like 2 years non-stop. So it has been out of the box, but this is the first time I'll be unboxing it for you. And yeah. Oh my god. There's the bag. So it comes with the microfiber, which is very useful to clean the bag. It also has this booklet about the Chanel classic bags. I'm going to put this down so you can see the bag. If you are a subscriber to my channel, you could probably guess what's inside this box. Please leave a comment down below and guess what bag you think this one is. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you would like to click that subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I make a new video. So the moment is finally here. Let's open it up. You could probably guess now from the chain. It is the Chanel reissue in the size small, or what the customers would say 225 in distressed leather and gold hardware. It still has the felt. Let's take off the felt so you can see the bag in full detail. I have to take off that sticker, by the way. Oh my god, 225. Oh my god, it smells amazing. I love this size. It's just such a beautiful size. It's stunning. It's so beautiful. This is the ultimate classic bag. It's so beautiful. I can't believe I finally have the black one and in the size small. I've been wanting this for forever, and I finally able to pick up this baby. I've been thinking about her since December 2019, and yeah, it takes a lot of patience not to be able to pick up your bag for that long, but it's well worth it. She is gorgeous, I'm telling you. I'm gonna take off this so you can see the inside. Of course, it has the burgundy. I don't know, the lighting is a little bit too white here in this room, but I hope you can see it. It has the burgundy lining with the CC, and this one is made in Italy because it was the only small size that they had at that time. So yeah, this baby is made in Italy. I honestly don't remember that it was made in Italy. I also don't know that Italy makes the small size. I thought they're all made in France. But anyway, she is beautiful regardless where she was made in. The serial number is from 28, and this is the authentication card. Because this was purchased in 2019, it still has the authentication card with the serial number, because now they have the microchip. The inside just look like that. We all know what a double flap looks like. So beautiful. Let's see. So the 255 reissue is longer than your medium classic flap, because the classic flap would fall around here if I wear it crossbody. I'm going to move to a different area of the room so you can see how this falls on me. Okay, so it's actually a better light here. I hope you can see me. So here's the bag. For reference, I'm 5'1" and I'm not telling you my weight. There you go. This is with both handles. This is how long it is on me. I think it's cute as a shoulder bag. You can see, so adorable. Cute. And this one with a longer strap as a shoulder bag. I think it's going to be too long for me because it falls like there. I think with the long strap it looks better if it's like crossbody like this. There you go. Great size. I love this size more than the 226. I think this is the better size for me. It does fit a lot of things. I think it will fit a full size wallet for sure, and more things. Also, because this is reissue in the distressed leather, it's actually much lighter than the timeless classic. It is so light, especially because this is a small size, and the distressed leather tend to be slightly thinner, so it is really light. Even though it's double flap, I feel that this is as light as like a single flap. And of course the bag came folded the way it was intended by Karl Lagerfeld. Oh, just so beautiful. I am so happy to finally be reunited with my baby. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please click like if you like it, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.